Question number 4 is 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. This you do as homework. Fifth question is 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. What we are going to do? We are keeping x terms in one side and constants in other side. 2x plus x is equal to 14 plus 1. You know, minus x brought from RHS to LHS or plus x. And minus 1 brought from LHS to RHS or plus 1. Now, 2x plus x is what? 3x. 3x is equal to 15. That means value of x is what? 15 divided by 3, which is 5. We got the value of x as 5. Now, we have to check. So that we are putting the value of x as 5 in LHS and RHS. First, let us solve LHS part. That means 2x minus 1 is equal to 2 into 5 minus 1. 2 into 5 is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. We got LHS value as 9. Now, we are going to put the value of x as 5 in RHS. That means RHS is 14 minus x. So 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. So what we have seen, LHS is 9, RHS is also 9. That means value of x is 5 only. Now sixth question let us do. Our question is 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So we can write 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 3 plus 7. We have multiplied the bracket with the 3. So 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 4 minus 3 plus 7 is what? 4. So 8x minus 3x is equal to 4 minus 4. We have kept the like terms in one side. That means variables in one side, constants in one side. So 8x minus 3x is what? 5x. 4 minus 4 is what? 0. So 5x is equal to 0. So value of x is what? 0 divided by 5, which is 0. We got the value of x as 0. Now we are going to check this is correct or not. So that you are putting value of x as 0 in LHS and RHS. Let us first put this value in LHS. LHS is 8x plus 4. That means 8 into 0 plus 4. 8 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. Now RHS we are putting 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. 3 into 0 minus 1 plus 7. First we will solve the bracket. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So RHS is what? 3 into minus 1 plus 7. That means minus 3 plus 7. What is minus 3 plus 7? 4. What we have seen? LHS was 4 and RHS is also 4. So LHS equal to RHS equal to 4. That means value of x is 0 only. Question number 7. X is equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. Our LHS is x and RHS is 4 by 5 into x plus 10. Here we can see in the denominator, in the RHS part 5 is there. That we will first shift to LHS. So what will be our LHS? 5x. You know cross products are equal. Here it is divided. When we change the side, it will multiply. That is why 5x is our LHS and RHS is what? 4 into x plus 10. You know, 4 into x plus 10 we can write as 4x plus 40. So RHS has become 4x plus 40. So 5x is equal to 4x plus 40 is our equation. Now transposition we are doing again. That means x terms in one side. 5x minus 4x is equal to 40. So what is 5x minus 4x? X. So x is equal to 40. Now we have to check. We got the value of x that we have to put in LHS and RHS. LHS is what? X is equal to 40. That means directly we got. Now RHS is what? 4 by 5 into x plus 10. That means 4 by 5 into, in the place of x, 40 will come plus 10. So 4 by 5 into 40 plus 10 means what? 4 by 5 into 50. Bracket we solved. So 4 by 5 into 50. 50 divided by 5 is 10. So 4 into 10 is 40 is our RHS. So what we have seen, LHS and RHS both are 40 only. Now let us do 8th question. Question is 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. We can see LHS and RHS both the side variables are there. That variable we are keeping one side. So what will happen? 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15 is equal to 3 minus 1. Now here LHS part if you see denominators are different. So we have to take the LCM. What is the LCM of 3 and 15? 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 into 2x is 10x. Minus 7x. Is it 3 minus 1 is 2. So RHS 2. Now 10x minus 7x is what? 3x. So 3x by 15 is our LHS and RHS is 2. 3 by 15 is what? 1 by 5. So LHS has become x by 5 is equal to 2. Now x is equal to 5 into 2 because here LHS part we have divided by 5. So that 5 we are sending to RHS. So 5 into 2 is RHS. So value of x is what? 10. we got the value of x as 10. Now checking we are doing. That means we are putting the value of x is equal to 10 in LHS and RHS. Let us first put in LHS. What is LHS? 2x by 3 plus 1. That means 2 into 10 by 3 plus 1. 20 by 3 plus 1. You can write this 1 as 3 by 3. So what is that? 20 by 3 plus 3 by 3. So answer is 23 by 3. Now we are putting value of x in RHS. Our RHS is 7x by 15 plus 3. That means 7 into 10 by 15 plus 3. So 70 by 15 plus 3. 70 by 15, we can divide both by 5. So 14 by 3 plus 3. Here you know 3 is equivalent as 3 by 1. That we can write by keeping the denominator, we can write 9 by 3. So what is our answer? 14 plus 9 by 3. That means 23 by 3. What we have seen, LHS is 23 by 3. RHS is also 23 by 3. That means our answer is correct. That means value of x is 10 only.